pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. The strongest people are not those who show strength in front of us, but those who fight battles we know nothing about. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are happy, but all are necessary for the full story. Don't overshare. Privacy is power. Train your mind to be stronger than your feelings. Judge no one, just improve yourself. You are at your strongest when you are calm. Be proud you survived the days you thought you couldn't. Normality is a paved road. It's comfortable to walk, but no flowers grow there. Life has many different chapters for us. One bad chapter doesn't mean it's the end of the book. Never make a permanent decision based on temporary feelings. Do it alone. Do it broke. Do it tired. Do it scared. Just do it. Allow yourself to be a beginner. No one starts off being excellent. People inspire you or they drain you. Pick them wisely. If you only walk on sunny days, you'll never reach your destination. Words are like keys. If you choose them right, they can open any heart and shut any mouth. The best thing I ever did was stop telling people what's going on in my life. Be valuable, not available. One day all those late nights and early mornings will pay off. If you aren't willing to work for it, don't complain about not having it. The family you create is more important than the family you come from. Free yourself from society's advice. Most of them have no idea of what they're doing. For it is better to be alone than in bad company. Smiling doesn't necessarily mean you're happy. Sometimes it just means you're strong. When writing the story of your life, don't let anyone else hold the pen. If you look at the people in your circle and you don't get inspired, you don't have a circle, you have a cage. Turn your wounds into wisdom. The truth is, everyone is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. Failure is a bruise, not a tattoo. If someone is trying to bring you down, they are already below you. Loneliness is the price you pay when you start to improve yourself. People don't know what to attack when you build in silence. One day, the people that don't even believe in you will tell everyone how they meant you. If you don't try, nothing will ever happen. If you believe it won't, you will see obstacles. If you believe it will work out, you'll see opportunities. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Take a deep breath. It's just a bad day, not a bad life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you'll learn. Big dreams require healthy habits, and healthy habits require self-discipline. Don't rush the process. Trust it. Great things take time. Your past is a place to learn and grow, not a place to live. The only real mistake is the one from which we learn nothing. Hardship often prepares an ordinary person for an extraordinary destiny. The 2 most important days in your life are the day you are born and the day you find out why. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. Don't let yesterday take up too much of today. Have patience. All things are difficult before they become easy. Sacrifice a few years of comfort for decades of freedom. Sometimes being alone is the best medicine to your soul. Excuses make today easier, but tomorrow harder. Worrying about losing is losing before you begin. Don't get burned twice by the same flame. Your future needs you, your past doesn't. Fear is temporary. Regret is forever. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. Be selfish with your time. A lot of people don't deserve it. For your peace of mind, don't let people know too much about you. One day you'll see why God made you wait. There are two types of pains, one that hurts you and the other that changes you. If you live for people's acceptance, you will die from their rejection. If someone tells you you can't, they're showing you their limits, not yours. Before something great happens, everything falls apart. Winners focus on winning. Losers focus on winners. Success is what happens after you've survived all your mistakes. Don't ruin a good today by thinking about a bad yesterday. Let it go. What comes easy won't last. What lasts won't come easy. It's a slow process, but quitting won't speed it up. Stop telling people everything. Most people don't care, and some secretly want you to fail. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. The fact that you aren't where you want to be should be enough motivation. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Let the improvement of yourself keep you so busy that you have no time to criticize others. You don't get paid for the hour. You get paid for the value you bring to the hour. Never be embarrassed to struggle. There is absolutely no shame in working hard to get to where you want to be. Playing it safe is the most dangerous thing you can do in life. Remember 5 years ago, you dreamed about being where you are now. Make more moves and less announcements. Do what no one else can do, and you will become what no one else can become. There will always be someone who doesn't see your worth. Don't let it be you. If you don't control your mind, someone else will. If you don't let go of the wrong people, you'll never meet the right people. Striving for success without hard work is like trying to harvest where you haven't planted. If you are not falling down occasionally, you're just coasting. You're being judged no matter what, so be who you want to be. Time always exposes what you truly mean to someone. Learn to heal without venting to everyone. Your deepest, darkest moment may be the best thing that ever happens to you. Sometimes the things that break your heart end up fixing your vision. Focus on you. People come and go. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Worrying is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do, but gets you nowhere. Never tolerate disrespect, not even from yourself. Sometimes we're tested not to show our weaknesses, but to discover our strengths. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. You have 3 choices in life. You can watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what the hell happened. If you are a giver, remember to learn your limits, because the takers don't have any. The harder you work, the luckier you will get. Stress is temporary, but the lessons you learn from it can last a lifetime. To avoid disappointment, expect nothing from nobody. Life gets easier with money, not time. Do yourself a favor. Get rich. He who is not courageous enough to take risks will accomplish nothing in life. Life isn't fair, but it's still good. No one is going to figure out your life. Don't compare your life to others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Stay away from people who make you feel lonely. No company is better than a bad company. Don't go broke, trying to impress broke people. The true test of a man's character is what he does when no one is watching. First step to getting anywhere is deciding you're not willing to stay where you are in the face of adversity. Doubt kills more dreams than failure. The only time you should ever look back is to see how far you've come. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. You cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can adjust your sails to reach your destination. Tough times don't last, but tough people do. You can't start the next chapter of your life if you keep rereading the last one. What other people think of you is none of your business. Sometimes you have to let go of something good to make room for something better. Win in your mind and you will win in your reality. Be obsessed with becoming the best version of yourself. Don't give up on yourself. There's a reason why you started. Now subscribe to our channel. Thank you.